Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Captain James. Just got back from a fishing trip and got to get my rods cleaned up and gonna clean the boat. Got some new products. A company called Better Boat sent me some stuff and I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna show you exactly what it is and how to use it. Warning, my boat is extremely dirty. We caught a ton of fish today. We had a latte fun, and hope you stay tuned. It's going to be a little bit of a different video. I'm going to review these products and let you see exactly how they work. Again, my boat is dirty, so if these products work, I would highly recommend you go out and get them. So let's take a look at the dirty boat. But as you can see, I've got blood stains on the floor. We caught a lot of fish today. I've got some stains up here, stains all over the deck. The sun's kind of in a weird spot too. I've got blood stains on the gunnel. So as you can see, my boat is a mess. And this is kind of how it gets after a charter trip. It is a mess. We just got blood everywhere, stains, dirty footprints. And the top of the cooler has vinyl, and the boat erasers say that they're good for all kinds of surfaces. So as you can see, I've got some dried blood here, and it just comes right off. So I'm gonna do a little cleaning. I'll set up the camera so you can see what I'm doing. But I've got my foam can in there and put a little boat soap in it. We're gonna foam the entire boat down. I'm gonna grab a scrub brush and get to scrubbing. All right, so check it out. These are some of the products that Better Boat sent me. We've got some boat soap, hull cleaner, a boat scrub glove, and boat erasers. So I'm going to take a look at these products. I'll show you how they work. I did try a little bit of the hull cleaner. I have to zoom out a little. Here where I live on the bayou, we do get a lot of staining. So if you leave your boat in the water for any length of time, and I'll try to show you that, but the hull cleaner works really, really good. It's almost instant. There was no scrubbing. I sprayed it on and just rinsed it off. So I'm going to follow all the directions on the packages, and I'll show you how well the products work. But so far, I'm really impressed. The boat is really dirty today. We just got back from a fishing trip, so I'm going to get it cleaned up, and I'll cut in and out. I won't make you watch the whole me cleaning the boat thing, but I'll let you see how the products work. So I've added some of the boat soap to a bucket of water here. I've got my, where is it? There it is. My Sure-Hold brush, and I'll be using that to scrub my deck. If you guys don't have a foam cannon, I'm telling you, you're missing out. This is the way to clean a boat. I can get soap on my entire boat in a matter of seconds. It literally takes about 15 seconds to soap the whole boat down, and I can get to scrubbing. So as you can see, it only took about 15 seconds to soap down an entire 30-foot boat. So we're going to start scrubbing the interior here, and then we'll come back and let you see what that looks like. All right, so the scrub glove is not an average wash mitt. It's scrubby, like a blue scrubby. Oh man, that's nice. So, I'm using the boat eraser here on the back of the seat, and as you can see, I mean, that's crazy. It just wipes all that gunk right off the vinyl. There's fish guts, there's blood, there's a little bit of everything dried on. And I'm really not scrubbing hard. I'm just rubbing over the surface. But, there we go. Really not scrubbing hard. I'm just rubbing over the surface, but it's taking the mold, the mildew, all the fish blood, all that stuff. It seems to be taking it off. All right, the before and after, much cleaner. So, not a perfect detail. It's not a perfect job. This is just me washing the boat with the boat soap, using the boat eraser on my vinyl, and you can see it actually cleaned up pretty dang nice. Now this seat is shot and needs to be replaced. So does the product work? Yes, it does. And if you're like me and you fish for a living, you know, cost is a big thing. So, you know, if we can keep our costs down, and I'll definitely be using this product. Okay, as you can see, my hull is really stained. The canal I live on has a lot of iron in it, and it doesn't, you know, this is just in and out, and it stains the hull just that quick. So I want to show you how this works. This is the Better Boat Spray Hull Cleaner. It's thick, it's foamy. I'm going to spray a little on, and we're gonna watch it live. It's literally melting that color right off the boat, just that quick, in 30 seconds. So I'm gonna soak a little area down here, and we'll hit it with some water to rinse it off. I'm not scrubbing, I'm just spraying a little on, and it comes off literally just like that. And talk about an amazing product. Before my phone dies, I'll try to give you a quick. This is not a how to detail your boat. My boat is not detailed, it's just washed. In fact, I've got some work to do yet. But just wanted to give you a quick little shot of the boat. And it is clean. I mean, it looks like it's been waxed, but it hasn't. It's just clean. The boat soap did a great job. I can't say enough good things about it. All right, so that kind of wraps it up. So big shout out to Better Boat. Their boat soap worked great. The boat erasers, they did their job. This wash mitt is something else. It's a scrubby mitt. It's not a wash mitt, it's a scrubby mitt. And that was amazing to help get the bait that was stuck to the side of the boat. It just wiped right off. And then the hull cleaner, you saw that. That was, I don't even know how to explain it. I've used a bunch of different hull cleaners, but that was by far the easiest one that I've ever used. So check them out online, Better Boat, and pick up some of these products yourself. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Until next time, I've been Captain James, hoping you have a latte fun fishing.